Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Top 5. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is becoming increasingly important in the world of cryptocurrency, crypto insurance. First, let's start by defining what crypto insurance is. Simply put, crypto insurance is a type of insurance policy that provides coverage against the loss of digital assets or cryptocurrencies. It can also protect against other risks such as hacking, theft, or technical failures. Now, you may be wondering why you would need crypto insurance. After all, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and don't rely on traditional banks or financial institutions. But as the use of cryptocurrencies becomes more widespread, the risk of loss or theft increases as well. This is where crypto insurance comes in to help protect your assets. There are several companies that offer crypto insurance policies, and the coverage can vary widely. Some policies only cover certain types of cryptocurrencies, while others offer broad coverage for a variety of digital assets. It's important to do your research and carefully review the terms of a policy before purchasing. In terms of the process of getting insured, you'll typically need to provide some basic information about your cryptocurrency holdings and storage methods. From there, the insurance company will assess the risk and determine the cost of coverage. The premiums for crypto insurance can vary based on the amount of coverage and the type of policy, but they are generally very affordable. Conclusion. In conclusion, crypto insurance is an important consideration for anyone who holds digital assets. With the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, the risk of loss or theft is also increasing. By getting a crypto insurance policy, you can protect your assets and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your investment is secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in understanding crypto insurance. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching my video.